You will need 3 1-meter pieces of macrame cord and a lobster keychain. Fold one piece of cord in half equally. Take the looped end over, and then pull those ends through that loop. Pull that up. Attach all 3 cords the same way. Take the left cord and hold it to the right. Take the next cord, pull it over top, around the back and through, and pull that up. Using the same cord, take it over again, around the back and through. Take the next cord over and do the same thing. I use a macrame board with pins to hold my piece in place. There'll be a link for it in the description. Take the right cord, hold it to the left, take the next cord, take it over, around the back, and pull through. Pull it up. Using it again, go over, around, and through. Take the next cord and do the same thing. This is the double half hitch knot, and I'll post a link in case you want a further instruction for this knot. Now with these 2 cords, take the left one, pull it to the right, the other one is coming underneath, and now go over, around, and through, and pull that up. We're just joining the 2 sides with a double half hitch knot. Take the left cord and with the next cord over, do a double half hitch knot. And do one more with the next cord. Now taking the right cord to the left and use the next one to make a double half hitch knot. And the next one. And now we're going to join these 2 together again, holding this one to the left, take this one and do the double half hitches. Taking the right again, do 2 double half hitches to the left. Starting from the left, to do a double half hitch. And another double half hitch. And now this time we're going to use this cord, hold it to the left, and use this one to do the double half hitch. Each time we're alternating which side we join the sides together with. So this time do 2 double half hitches on this side. Now this time we're closing the 2 sides together from this side, so we're going to do 3 double half hitches to the left. This is now the second one. And now this third one, we're just closing the 2 sides together. Now this time do 2 on this side. And now on this side, we're going to do 3. I'm going to keep going until I've done 8 down each side. There's 8 rows from here to here. And then you can just cut the ends.